shows you how she flies off the side of the building, and I'll get in a little bit closer so you can see this, but check that out. That's kind of cool, isn't it? That's Firestorm, excuse me, Firestorm. And she's flying around the building there. Yeah, pretty cool. Yeah. So, like, share, and subscribe. Alright, Lego Fanatics, we're back. I already put some stuff on this to make it look like it's supposed to. You want to make sure that when you're putting these together that the flat part's out and not the back part. So you're going to put those up there. And then these go on top of here. One like that. And I'll show you. And this one's going to go there. And I'll show you how that's going to work when I get done. So, let's see what we got here. I'm going to adjust my camera just a hair. Again, so I can see what I'm doing. Yep, okay, cool. Alright, so now we're going to build this part, which is going to be really cool. So I need one of these long ones, and that 1x3, and then I need 6 of these, because we're going to build this Daily Bugle sign. That's 4. That. And there's 4 of those. 1 of these. Like that. Okay, so I completed that part. Then I need this, like that. Why these things want to bend up so badly? Anyway, so I've got that. Okay, and then I'm going to put this long piece like this. No, not yet. Okay, so I need one of these right there, like that. And then I need this one to go right here. So as you can see, I'm building it out. It's falling a little bit too much for me, that's all. Okay. Oh, it's one of these. Okay. Never mind. Yeah, I can see it there. It's bending up too much for me, but that's okay. Alright, so I got that. I got that. I'm going to put this longer one right here. Like that. Okay. And I'm going to do this again. Ah, okay. I see what I'm doing. So we're going to do this again. So I'm putting 4 of these like this. One of these. And then 2 of these. And one of these, like that. And this is going to go on the end. Just smooth it out a little. Just checking something right quick because I'm not sure I did this right, but it looks okay to me. Oh, I see what I'm doing. Okay, so then there's 2 here. Trying to see where this was going to be. Now I'm going to put this down for a minute. gonna have to fix that later. Okay, so I've got one of these long ones. This is gonna go like this. This is gonna go like this. And then I've got one of these. One of these. This is the D. So this is gonna go right there. Just like that. So see how it went on there? Alright, so subscribe, like, and follow, and I'll see you in the next video.